This tutorial is on how to deploy a remote PostgreSQL database instance using Antryk databases services. Now, first of all, you have to log in into your Antryk dashboard. After that, click on Databases, and from there, you can click on either of both, Add Database, Deploy Database. After coming to this form, it is very easy to deploy your database in just few clicks. First of all, we have to choose the type of your database. We will select Postgres, then the version. Here I will select the latest version. Now coming to the database configuration. So before filling the form, let's discuss what every field meant. So database name. This refers to the name by which database will be referred. Then this is default schema. So in PostgreSQL, default schema is like a folder, or schema is like a folder inside your database. And PostgreSQL organizes tables into schemas. And default schema or Postgres has automatically a schema called public. So, and all the tables are created inside this schema. If you want to change the default schema, then you can mention it here. Then coming to username, username will let us create a user or Postgres user, which will be referred via this username, and then subsequent password for this username. Now let's fill all the fields. This will be our name of database. For now, we are letting default schema to be empty as it is not mandatory field. Then the username and then the password. You can give your own password or generate a complex one via this feature, or else you can give your own. For now, we will select an easy one. Coming to the region section, from here you can decide where on the globe you want to deploy your database instance. We would select US East 1. Then coming to the access control section. So in access control section, we can describe or define IP addresses from where our database can be accessed, or else we can allow all IPs, and our database will be accessible from anywhere in the globe. Then coming to backup configuration, if we require automated backups of our database, then we have to enable it. Select on the backup frequency like daily, and retention period. So retention period refers to the retention time of your backups. So we will click on 7 days. Then choose your desired plan like this, and then click on deploy database. After that, we can see the database is deploying, and we just have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then refresh the page. Now it has been few minutes. We have to refresh the page, and we can see our database has been deployed successfully. Now, using these informations, we can connect to our remote database instance. For example, and for this tutorial, I am using pgAdmin, a GUI interface tool provided by Postgres itself. Now, this is pgAdmin. Connect to your remote database, you have to right click here, click on register, and then server. We have to give name to our server. After that, we have to go to connection tab, enter the host here, and then enter your username and then the password. After that, make sure that this connect now button is on and click on save. As we can see, server is created. We have to expand it, then expand the databases, and then this is our database. Now we can see that we have successfully connected with our remote PostgreSQL database instance. So now here we conclude our tutorial. Thank you.